This
It's just like
is rush
ditch
mode,
or whatever.
and today
we wanna
I'm going to give you the
immediately-
tools you need
What do you got
to
for us? What do you
master
got for us? What do you
the
got for us?
challenge. First, let's go over these key components. Range exchanges are key to your success in gaining the most time out of your playthrough possible. You start with 3 days on the clock, and for each range exchange completed, you gain 12 extra hours on the clock. Range exchanges will become available each morning starting at noon. The first range exchange is simple. Every range exchange afterwards can ask for any resource in the game. This can lead to a lot of wasted time. Each range exchange completed, on top of giving you 12 extra hours, will net you 6 gilded ginger, so you want to complete these as soon as possible. Golden GORDOS are GORDOS that will only spawn in rush mode. They will drop around 10 gold slimes. Your key is to shoot them and gain their gold plorts. This is your main source of making money to spend on corrals and gardens. Golden GORDOS will take 3 gilded ginger to burst each. They replace all GORDOS that do not drop keys or are not placed on teleporters, and they can be placed at vaults. There are a few gold GORDOS that I recommend are a must for completing to beat rush mode. These GORDOS consist of the Gordo at the entrance to the ranch, the Ring Island GORDOS 1, 2, and 3, and the Ash Isle GORDOS 1, 2, and 3. Plort bonuses, aside from the golden GORDOS, are by far the most important thing you have to worry about. Plort bonuses are a percentage added to your final score at the end of the game. To get a bonus, you need to sell 25 of a type of plort. You can get up to 95% added to your final score. Also, plort prices in this mode will default to their base price. However, plorts such as Fire, Quantum, Tangle, Dervish, and Mosaic will have an 8% bonus applied to your final score. In rush mode, all backpack upgrades are pre-purchased for you. You will also have all treasure cracker upgrades, as well as some extra equipment. You are given pink, blue, and gray warp depots and teleporters. The game also provides you with 10 drones, 2 med stations, and 3 hydro turrets. All treasure pods are still here. Secret styles are not, however. Each treasure pod, rather than giving resources, will give you money. Green provides 100, blue provides 200, and purple provides 350. I recommend picking up any treasure pods you come across. As I mentioned, key GORDOS and teleporter GORDOS are still here. Key GORDOS will require 30 to burst. Teleporter GORDOS, however, will only require 1 food item to burst. Pink GORDOS, however, only require 20 to burst, and all GORDOS will still count as double for their favored foods. Per each knockout the player experiences, you will have 1 hour rather than 12 taken away from you, as well as 10% of your final score. At the end, there will be a countdown timer.
Yeah.
Once the countdown timer is complete,
Nope.
the splash
Not
screen will
happening.
come up. The splash screen will display your final score, your most valuable plorts, the plort bonuses you achieved, and the money you spent. However, once you leave the splash screen, that's it. The save closes and cannot be accessed anymore. It will, however, display your final score and the day you ended on. Anyways, that's it for part 1. Part 2 will be coming soon. Peace!